Hey guys, it's Rahul here, and QacQoc sent me the new Type-C hub, and this is what I think about it. For those of you who stick around till the end of this video, I have something special for you guys, so be sure to watch this the whole way through. When the package first arrived, it seemed like another generic thing from China, that, judging from the tons of yellow tape, you wouldn't assume is any good. But the second I took it out of the shady looking box, I was greeted by an extremely well made package. Sliding off the cover, you have another box, similar to the ones that iPhones are packed in. However, QacQoc's packaging has small cutouts for your fingers to grip the bottom as you slide the top off, which I think is a really practical and nice touch. Lifting off the lid, the shiny new Type-C hub is placed in the perfectly cut foam piece, and below that they have included a small guide, a card, and a cool little carrying pouch that feels phenomenal. As for my opinion on the Type-C hub, I really love it. You can get it on Amazon for $50 or 65 Australian dollars, but for those of you who stick around till the end, you can get it for 20% off. The QacQoc GN30C is a 7-in-1 device with a variety of ports. On the right, there is a Type-C cable that connects to your laptop. Then on the front, there are 3 full-size USB 3.0 ports. On the left, there is a single Type-C port, which can be used for charging. Lastly, the back has an SD card slot, a micro SD slot, and a HDMI port, which supports up to 4K at 30Hz. The SD card slots and 3 USB 3.0 ports have a combined current output of 1.5 amps, so you may not be able to use more than one external hard drive or multiple power-hungry accessories at the same time. In my time of using it, I was able to use 2 external hard drives at once without any issues, but this may vary depending on what laptop or tablet you are using. The unibody aluminium alloy construction with an ionized finish both gives the hub some heft while also making it feel premium and ensures that it won't break anytime soon, if at all. It's built so well that your laptop will probably break before the QacQoc's USB hub does. Compatibility wise, it supports most Type-C devices ranging from Windows and Linux to the full range of Macs with Thunderbolt or Type-C ports to Google's Chromebook Pixel lineup. The silver finish makes it look premium and matches the quality of Apple's products. The QacQoc logo is not too intrusive and therefore looks fine on the top, and the subtle power indicator showing when it's working is a nice touch. The bottom of the device is not too far away from the neatness found on the top. The 4 rubber feet lifted off the table, both allowing air to cool it down a little while also preventing it from sliding around when you're trying to plug things into it. The bottom also has very neat labels and icons identifying the purpose of each port, which is also a very nice touch. The small size of the USB hub makes it very portable, making it easy to take it wherever you go. The pouch it comes with is really soft and works really well in protecting the USB hub from getting scratched during travel. Overall, the QacQoc GN30C performs really well. It has no issues. Anything you plug into it shows up almost instantly. And it also outputs via HDMI while also transferring files between 2 external hard drives and an SD card, and also delivers power to my MacBook all at the same time without any performance issues. This has led me to conclude that QacQoc's Type-C hub is both a nice looking option while also being the most practical accessory for any laptop that has a USB Type-C port. As promised, if you would like to grab one for yourself, you can get 20% off by using the code on screen now. Check out QacQoc's website for a range of other USB hubs and adapters. Anyways guys, be sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, tap on that notification icon, and chuck in a comment or 2 down below. This is Rahul signing out. Peace.